Hello friends, my name is Pawan. In this video, we will learn about financial planning. Let's start the video. These are some taxes collected by government before GST. This is the tax invoice in which we have to find out these things. The rate of GST is equal to the rate of CGST. So, let's consider that the rate of GST was 28%. So, the rate of CGST and HGST is 1/2 of the GST. So, 1/2 of the 28, 14% will be the rate of CGST and rate of HGST. Let's start the practice set 4.1. Let's take a question number 1. Let's see the question number 1. Pawan Medical supplies some medicines. On the some medicines, the GST was charged 12%.
Find the rate of CGST and HGST. There was a medical supplies the medicines. The rate of GST is 12%. We have to find out the rate of CGST and HGST. So, in the starting, we have learned the CGST is equal to the HGST and the rate of CGST and HGST is half of the GST. So, CGST is equal to HGST is equal to half of the GST will be half of 12 is equal to 6%. So, the rate of CGST and HGST is 6%. Let's see question number 2. On a certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of HGST and what is the rate of GST? So, first of all, we will write here the rate of CGST is given 9%. HGST we have to find and GST we have to find. So, as we know that the rate of CGST is equal to the rate of HGST. So, the rate of CGST is 9%, the rate of HGST will be 9%. So, SGST is equal to 9%. GST is equal to CGST plus SGST is equal to 9 plus 9. So, the GST will be 18%. GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. 9 plus 9 will be 18. So, rate GST is 18%. Let's move on next question. Let's see question number 3. Real paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and HGST in the tax invoice. See, first of all, write what is the given in the question. Real paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 28,000. So, let's write taxable value of each tin is 2800. Second, taxable value for 2 tins is equal to 2800 into 2. Answer will be 5600. GST, rate of GST is 28%. Then find the amount of CGST and HGST in the tax invoice. Into CGST is equal to 5600 into 14 upon 100. 0 will be cut. 56 into 14, answer will be 784 rupees. So for the HGST, same process. 5600 into 14 upon 100. 0 will be cancelled. 56 into 14 will be 784 rupees. Let's move on next question. Question number 4. The taxable amount of wristwatch is 586 rupees. Let's take question number 4. The taxable value of the wristwatch is 586 rupees and the rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the wristwatch belt for the customer? Let's write which things are given in the question. Taxable value of the wristwatch belt is 586 rupees. Rate of GST is 18%. To find the price for the customer. Price for customer. So first of all, let's find out the GST. Amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to 586 into 18 upon 100. The answer will be, amount of GST will be 105.48 rupees. Let's find out the price for the customer. Let's find out the price for the customer. Price for the customer is equal to taxable value 586 plus amount of GST 105.48 rupees is equal to 691.48 rupees. This will be the price for the customer. Let's move on next question. Question number 5. Let's take question number 5. First of all, I have written the given in the question. Let the amount of GST will be X. Total value of remote control toy car is 1770 rupees. 1770 rupees. Let the taxable amount of remote control toy car is 1770 rupees minus X. Let's find the amount of GST. Here rate of GST is 18%. For amount of GST is equal to 18% of taxable value of toy car is equal to 18 upon 100 into 1770 minus X. Here 100 is in divide. When it will come this side, it will be get multiplied with the X. So 100X is equal to 18 into 1770 minus X. This 18 is multiplied with this 1770 and X. So let's multiply that. 100X is equal to 18 into 1770 minus 18 into X will be 18X. When here it is minus, when it will come this side, it will get added, means addition. So 100X plus 18 is equal to 18X is equal to 1770. Let's get
118X is equal to 1770.
It will be the amount of GST.
18.
So we have to find out the taxable value of the remote control car. So we have supposed that the taxable value of remote controlled car is equal to 1770 minus X. So 1770 minus value of X is 270. Answer will be 1500. For the amount of CGST and HGST. CGST is equal to, but CGST is equal to SGST is equal to,
CGST is equal to half of the amount of GST. So half of the amount of GST is 270 rupees. So the answer will be 135 rupees. Answer will be 135 rupees.
Let's see question number 6. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is 51,200 with GST. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. We have to find rate of SGST, rate of GST on AC, taxable value of AC, total amount of GST, amount of CGST and amount of SGST. So let's find one by one. First of all, cost of AC on supplied is 51,200 with GST. Second, rate of GST is equal to the rate of CGST is equal to 14% on AC. First of all, let's find out the rate of SGST. We know that the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST. So the rate of SGST is 14%. Let's find out second. Rate of GST on AC. GST is equal to CGST plus HGST is equal to 14 plus 14. The answer will be 28%. So the rate of GST will be 28% on AC. Let's solve third point. Let the cost of the AC be 100. It is the taxable value and GST is given. Rate of GST is 28%. The total value with GST is 128 rupees. So for the taxable for the total value of 128 rupees, the taxable value is 100. But so for the total value of 51,200, taxable value be the X. So as we know that the total value upon taxable value is equal to same as per the rate of GST. Let's take a put the value. Let's take a total value. First, total value is 128. For the total value of 128 rupees, the taxable value is 100, and for the total value of 51,200, the taxable value is X. Let's solve it. 128 into X is equal to 51,200 into 100. So 128x is equal to 51,200 into 100. X is equal to 51,200 into 100 upon 128. So value of X will be, the answer will be 40,000 rupees. So in the starting we have consider that for the value of 51,200, the taxable value be X. So the value of X is 40,000 rupees. So therefore the taxable value will be 40,000 rupees. So let's move on next question. Let's find out the amount of GST on AC. So the rate of GST is 28%, and the rate of GST is 28%. The taxable value of AC is 40,000 rupees. So to find out the amount of GST, 40,000 into 28 upon 100, 0 will be cancelled. So 400 into 28 is equal to 11,200. This will be the answer. Okay. Let's find out next amount of CGST. As we know that the CGST is half of GST. So we have found that the amount of GST is 11,200 rupees. So when we will divide this by 2, the answer will be 5,600 rupees will be the answer. So next, CGST, and now we have to find out the amount of HGST. As we know that HGST is equals to CGST. So the amount of HGST is 5,600 rupees. Solved. Let's see next question, question number 7. Let's see question number 7. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of 40,000 rupees. The rate of GST charged was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice. So in this question, the discount was given 5%. Discount was given 5%. Printed price of washing machine is 40,000 rupees. Rate of GST is 28%. We have to find the purchase price of washing machine and also find out the amount of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice. First of all, let's find out the discount. So the discount is equal to 40,000 rupees into 5 upon 100. 5 for the 20. The 0, 2000 answer will be. So for the purchase price of the washing machine, let's find the taxable value for the washing machine is equal to 40,000 discounted price of the washing machine. 40,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 38,000 rupees. So let's find out GST on this price. For amount of GST is equal to 38,000 into 28 upon 100. Answer will be 10640 rupees. 10,640 rupees will be the amount of GST. For the purchase price of washing machine is equal to discounted price plus amount of GST equal to 38,000 plus 10,640 rupees is equal to 38,640 rupees. This will be the purchase price of the washing machine. Amount of CGST, and we have to also find the amount of CGST and GST. So for the amount of CGST is equal to half of amount of GST, half of 10,640 rupees. The answer will be 5,320 rupees. And for the GST, amount of CGST is equal to the HGST. So the amount of CGST is 5,320 rupees will be the HGST, amount of HGST. Amount of SGST is equal to CGST is equal to 5,320 rupees.